Hello everyone, welcome to my English lesson. Today we are talking about the four type of sentence. Yes, there are four main type of sentence. And let's start with the basics. What is sentence? Sentence is a group of words that express complete thought. It will always begin with a capital letters and with a punctuation mark. Like punctuation mark like a period, question mark, or exclamatory point. Let's talk about the four type of sentence. Number one is the declarative sentence. Declarative sentence tell us or give an information and with a period. Example, the sun rises in the east. Thus, that's an example of declarative sentence. Big, the second is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence asks a question. It's L with a question mark. Example, where do you live? Or what's your name? That is an example of interrogative sentence. If asked something, third one is imperative sentence. An imperative sentence give a command or request. It can end with a period or sometimes exclamatory mark. Like for example, please pass the salt, or please can you give me a ball pen, or please can you move. Exclamatory sentence shows strong feelings like surprise, excitement, or anger. It always ends with an exclamatory mark. Example, wow, that was amazing. And wow, I'm so surprised. Exclamatory sentences are full of emotion. Okay, let's recap our lessons. Let's review the four type of sentence. Number one, declarative tells something ends with a period. Interrogative asks a question and with a question mark. Imperative give a command ends with a period of exclamatory mark. Exclamatory show strong emotions and with a exclamatory marks. And that's the end of our lesson. I hope you now understand the fourth type of sentence. Try to find example of each the type around you in a book or signs or even in your own conversation. Thank you for listening and don't forget to keep learning. Bye!